Our 2026 Jeep Gladiator Sport is designed to pull 7,700 pounds. At least that was our interpretation. But after a lot of research and careful studying over what this Jeep is truly capable of doing, I found out a few things. Most importantly, to pull 7,700 pounds, you need a complete towing package. And our Jeep was lacking part of that package. You can see the airbags are like right there. That's one side, and then you have one on the other side over there. So far, I have put some heavy-duty all-terrain tires on this vehicle. I added a 5,000-pound hitch setup and installed airbags under the rear wheels. We added a brake controller for the brakes on the trailer. And we put a weight distribution hitch on the trailer to keep it from swaying. So stay tuned and we'll see if this was enough to get the job done. One of our last additions to the Jeep, a rough country camper top, and we're very excited to get this. Guaranteed to be dry inside, so we don't have to worry about things getting wet. I can right up. In the side door.
Let me take a look in here. Wow.
We have side doors on it too. Other side the same way. We're gonna put a little kitchen dinette in there, and we'll put some other things in there, a generator, and some things that go with our RV. Very excited to get this, and yeah, the days are counting down. It seemed like it took forever to get here, but all of a sudden it's here, and it's time to start thinking about traveling.
Well, Wade brought it home. I'm taking a look. I like it. I think we will definitely be able to utilize this space. I am very, very happy about having a outdoor kitchen, and he's already got the setup, so we're gonna put it in, and I just cannot wait to show y'all this little setup that we're gonna have. I would love to do a lot of outdoor cooking, something that's gonna be new to me, and I am just raring to learn and see all the opportunities and all the things that I can get out of that, and sitting down and enjoying a great meal outside. But I am very happy that Wade got this. I like it, and also the thought of knowing everything is safe and dry. I like that.
And here's the reason we have souped up our Jeep right here. We got an RV, and we're gonna hit the road, and we're gonna do some major traveling, and parts unknown, here we come. Can't wait. So here's something strange that took place on this Gladiator. For the max tow package, they put a regular cooling fan on the Jeep. I just went and had it changed out to put a heavy capacity towing fan on here, and it looks like it has two fans instead of one. But my question is, if you're going to build a Jeep that you're going to haul 7,700 pounds around with, why would you put a fan like this on that Jeep? Just one of the mysteries of their whole concept of what it takes to haul a trailer on a Jeep. And here we have a little something extra for the kitchen that we're going to have in the back of this vehicle.
Well, here we are, day one of our new adventure, and boy, has it been a doozy.
All of them have been a doozy.
Oh my goodness. If we had videoed every single thing that happened to us, we would still be sitting in Waxahachie.
Yeah.
But instead, we chose to get our stuff done and take whatever was thrown at us and deal with it. And we are coming into Decatur, Texas at the moment. And we are hoping to be, I don't know, about what, another 2-3 hours north from here by the end of the day. And
at least
once we got on the road, it's been good. And we'll talk about all those mishaps and those exciting moments.
Maybe some of those looks we get, we got a Jeep Gladiator pulling the RV, and people are just like, what? But we're going 60 and doing just fine.
We've had some nail biters, and we've had, oh my goodness, we've had lots of things going on. We'll talk about that later. Right now, we are just trucking along at a good little speed, and it has been pleasant.
It's beautiful out here. You can't see it, but right beyond those trees is a big drop off. And hopefully we can go down there and see that. It's covered up right here. We hit the grocery store late today and got this whole cup of gravy free because they didn't want to make any more, and the time was coming to an end. They had this and they were going to throw it away, so they just gave it to us. So, lesson number one to campers: you hit the grocery store late, you might just capitalize on some good food.
And this whole container, a pound and a half of chicken strips, and a whole bunch of potato wedges. I'm talking about potato wedges. $10. Originally $16, and we got them for $10. That's good. And they were cooking them, so they were frying them fresh, and we waited on them.
So what's the name of this park?
Copper Breaks State Park.
Copper
Breaks.
Never heard of it, but it's beautiful out here. It's quiet. I mean, there's no sound around.
And there's quite a few people here.
Mm-hmm.
I anticipate getting some good sleep. No noise.
"6:30 a.m. I'm actually late for my walk, but just want to see what this park is all about. So I'm walking along here and I'm seeing some kind of tracks, but I can't make out exactly what they are. There's lots of trails and scenery in here, so I'm just going to check it out. It kind of looks like hogs, but I'm not sure. Upon coming in, I saw a lake and I saw what appeared to be a canyon, some kind, I don't know what, but I want to go down here and check it out and see what it is. Walking in nature like this will, or for me, I really appreciate just being able to be out here and to do this, because You just don't see this in everyday life, or most people don't. This is really beautiful, scenic, rustic, just it's a nice place. And I appreciate what the good Lord made. I don't know if he made it for us or he just made it because he wanted to enjoy it. Maybe both. I don't know. But what a creative God we have. There's the lake. Beautiful down through there. Lake looks really low. There are lots of coyotes around here. Lots of coyotes. Lots of rabbits too. So I started off on a trail. Now I'm just wandering through the wilderness. And you might think, well, how are you doing that and not getting lost? Well, I'm hoping I'm not getting lost, but I pay attention to certain things like the sun rising on the east, and I know where the highway is because I can hear cars going up and down the state highway back that way. So that would be north. We are actually south of where I'm at right now. If I get lost, I'm going to go east because the road that comes in, turn around here, I don't know if that makes any difference to you, but the road that comes into the park goes right through the bottom of this valley down through here and right up over here to our camp. So it's pretty hard to get lost out here if you really pay attention to certain things, like the lake behind me. So as long as I don't go west, because I don't know what's west, I know it's every other direction. So as long as I don't go west and get lost, I'm going to be okay. So when you're out in the wilderness and you're wandering around like I'm doing right now, you have to pay attention to certain things. And that's just part of my growing up as a kid. We grew up on a farm that you could definitely get lost on. Many people have over the years, especially behind our farm. And it's a place you don't want to get lost. So it kind of taught me to pay attention to my surroundings. And yeah, I got lost a few times, but not like some people who would get lost for days. I might get lost for an hour or two. Paying attention to those things will help you in navigating. And this is what I love doing.
Hello, everyone. This is Wade and Kim. And boy, do we have a story to tell you. We are no longer in the motorhome, and we have a 25-foot travel trailer, and we hit the road. And so we are taking you along with us as we just travel and see some things and experience some things and enjoy life. And I am ready to have this life with you. I am so ready for just the free road. So we will be getting back with you and letting you know what's all took place and what will take place. We are at Copper Break State Park in Quanna, Texas. We stayed one night here. It was very nice. Oh my goodness, it was so quiet. Very, very dark. We did get in kind of late, but we did get to picnic outside and enjoyed that very much. And it was a very pleasant stay. $20 a night. If y'all are in this area, it's worth it. It's beautiful. Lots and lots of wildlife. It was a very great place to stay.
Well, thanks for coming along with us, everyone. We're headed out to a long journey ahead, and you'll have to stay tuned next week or next episode to catch what we're doing. I'm sorry that we haven't had an episode in a while. We have been extremely busy trying to prepare for this trip, and it's been, as Kim said earlier, just a whirlwind of an adventure. If you like the content on our program, we would really appreciate a like on the post, a comment, and if you will, subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and that actually allows us to continue doing what we're doing and to share our adventures with you. Thanks for coming along, everybody. God bless, and we'll see you next time.